ABG questions and answers with verified solutions. What is required to maintain a stable equilibrium between acids and bases for achieving homeostasis? What health conditions contribute to this imbalance? AOE1. Diabetes mellitus. 2. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. 3. Renal disease. Acid-base imbalances are not diseases, but rather a manifestation of an underlying health problem representing AOE physiological symptoms. What is pH? AOE indicator of hydrogen ion consent ration. An increase in hydrogen ion concentration results in AOE increased acidity. A decrease in hydrogen ions leads to AOE alkaline conditions. 1/4. The pH scale ranges from AOE 1 to 14. A solution with a pH of 7 is considered neutral. A solution below 7.35 is classified as AOE acidic. A solution above 7.45 is categorized as alkaline. Blood is slightly alkaline, typically with a pH of heavy check mark 7.35-7.45. Acid-base regulation involves heavy check mark production of acids neutralized and excreted metabolically. The body employs 3 mechanisms to regulate acid-base balance for maintaining a pH range of 7.35 to 7.45, known as buffer system. Were the 3 mechanisms: AOE1, buffering agents; 2, respiratory processes; 2/4. 3, renal function, buffer systems. Heavy check mark immediately respond. Act chemically converting strong acids to weaker forms or binding acids to neutralize effects. Key controller of acid-base equilibrium. The major buffer system in the extracellular fluid, ECF, is heavy check mark bicarbonate, carbonic acid. Other buffering agents include heavy check mark phosphate, proteins, hemoglobin. Cells can also serve as buffers by transporting hydrogen ions in and out of cell walls. During alkalosis, for instance, this can lead to heavy check mark reduced potassium, K+ levels. Buffers cannot maintain pH balance without proper functioning of AOE1, respiratory processes. 2, renal function. 3/4. H2CO3 is carbonic acid. HCO3 is heavy check mark bicarbonate. Carbonic acid, H2CO3/bicarbonate, HCO3. Equation is heavy check mark HCl plus Na 2CO3 and ACl plus H2CO3. This process combines strong acids and bases to heavy check mark prevent significant pH decline. Carbonic acid breaks down into water, H2O, and carbon dioxide, CO2. Lungs excrete CO2 as carbonic acid. In this way, the buffer system maintains a ratio of 20:1 between bicarbonate and carbonic acid, ensuring normal pH level. Slide 8. How does the respiratory system regulate? Heavy check mark CO2 plus H20H2CO3 H plus HCO3. Powered by TCPDF, www.tcpdf.org. For /4.